Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX natural gas market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 200. We expected natural gas to stay in selling, maintaining 203 as stop loss. So right after the opening, the price came down, again went up and had some decent fast selling, but it came down till 198.4. But finally closed near 201. We could see the price could not break the previous day's low and closing higher. Everything shows some sort of buying at the bottom. So today price is expected to open somewhere near 201.6. Wait for the price to clear 203 and then go for buying by placing stop loss near 200. It's purely a testing with a 3-point stop loss. If there is any buying, the price after moving above 202, it will surely go for some strong breakouts. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.